The modern age businesses require a high-tech and reliable source to track the time spent by their employees. Today, more and more important work is done remotely, and keeping track of time spent by each resource on a specific job is now of critical importance. Timesheets helps you keep track of your employees' productivity and engagement level, no matter where they are located at. Timesheets define a fine line between holding an efficient team and losing money behind unproductive and distracted workers. Orangescrum introduces daily and weekly timesheets. It helps employees mark and differentiates between billable and non-billable work. It helps keep records accurate, secure, and easy to access. It can be used to analyze your company's most efficient employees. The data can also identify the resources who need help focusing their time at work. Orangescrum not only offers transparent time management, but also helps you manage your tasks, schedules, and resources.